All right, folks, welcome to ASAP Machining and Fabrication here on Millbrook Road in Plainfield, Connecticut. This is one of the auction sites for our May 15 auction. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough. Machine videos in operation are up on each individual lot. Here we have a nice 3-axis Sharp TMV. Also has the Mach 1 collets, along with the operating manual. Nice shape. This is a 04 machine. Good condition. We got a nice Yuasa 4th axis here. This did go on the TMV, but can be programmed to put on any other machine. Comes with the cart and some additional accessories there. 2 Clausing 1640 CNC turning centers, spare parts, drawbars, Fagor controls, still working. We're working every day and up until the day that they closed, just one short month ago. These are not in order, by the way. Those are number 76 and 77. There's also a nice pallet of spare parts, drawbars, a couple of Clausing lathes, Mitosa. Again, these were working up until they stopped about 30 days ago. Here's another one, CNC 2080. This has got a nice Italian hydraulic turret head on it. Clean machines. Chevalier 818 hydraulic surface grinder. Miscellaneous stuff. There's a nice hard-hinge turret lathe. Well, people still use these. There's a Victor 2060 gap bed lathe. It's got steady rest, tailstock, all controls on the saddle. It's got a Sony DRO 2-axis. Lots of parts and supplies here, little jigs and fixtures. They did some pretty interesting stuff in this machine shop. Very crafty, very clever. Nice little Clausing lathe. Again, a lot of fixtures and attachments, nuts and bolts, galore. Parts cabinets. There's some parts for hard hinge. Here's a brand new, late model, just recently designed Bridgeport. And we have a track 2 and 3-axis TRM and DPM vertical machining, vertical mills. This was a 2-axis. Here's a 3-axis. These are both 1999 models, but again, in use right up until they closed about 30 days ago. Lots of Aloris tools, posts, tool holders, the typical tools and supplies and accessories that you would find in a precision machine shop. Self-opening die heads, chucks, keys, precision chucks, drills and mills, taps and dies, helicoils, drill bits, drill indexes. Pretty much full. Good shape. There's a nice little number 3A arbor press there. stand. You could use it for dumbbells or you could use it for lathe parts. Here's a big 25-inch DJC lathe. And these are two Fagor, brand new Fagor, new in the box. This is a 25B, this here is a 25B power module. This is a drive kit and a power module, brand new, never used, never opened until actually today. Lots of small stuff in here, safety switches, die carts. Here's Kalamazoo 21-inch tilt column saw. Again, running right up until just, well, this was running up until just a couple of days ago. Nice little Greenlee 16 cubic foot storage unit. Here's a Delta downdraft table. Here's a 20,000 pound hydraulic unit. Chains, plate clamps. Geez, just about a brand new. I think it is brand new, never been used. This is a Lincoln Electric Model 80 flex cut plasma cutters. Induction bearing heater. Nice lot here. This is lot number 124. Includes all of these storage units and their contents. Carbon steel and stainless hex bolts, cap screws, stainless steel, flathead screws. These drill indexes here, these are substantially full. That one was fractional. This one is number. Again, you know, substantially full. This one is letter. Again, substantially full. And then we have some some cabinets here. These are Bauman cabinets full of goodies. Socket cap screws, knurled cup point headless screws, all sorts of fender washers, flathead socket and cap screws, some stainless steel screws in there, and more nuts and bolts here. These are like a lot 120, 117 to 120. Nice lots. More goodies. This is just one location. The Swansea location has got just a ton of merchandise, including some Amada CNC press brakes with pick and place robots, Bridgeport welders, time saver sander. So that's it, folks. Inspection May 13, May 14. Come on down, take a look, watch the videos on YouTube. Here's a closing lathe. Any questions, give us a buzz on the phone if you prefer to talk. If not, drop us an email. See you at the auction.